how to add edits or how to cut your video in Adobe Premiere Pro in less than 2 minutes. First, locate your video, drag it onto your project bin, and then drag it onto the timeline. So the first thing is to use the razor tool, and that's the letter C. You can click the C, click, and it cuts. You click C, and then it cuts. And then if you click Q, it deletes. You click C, click, cut. Another way, which is much simpler, is by using the add edit, which is you click letter K, delete. In order to add this, you go under edit, you go to keyboard shortcuts, you type here in the search bar, add edit, and then here it is. My keyboard shortcut is letter K. You click on here if it's something else, and click the one you want, letter K, click OK. This is much easier because every single time I just have to click K, delete, K, and then boom, that is how you can cut clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more video tutorials like this.